It's just a friendly game of catch with a soccer ball. This is Goalkeeping Hands Warmup. Here, we're working on proper catching form for goalkeepers. Use 4 cones to create a small square. Every player gets a ball. Here's how it looks. Players walk around the space, throwing the balls to themselves and their teammates in different ways to practice the contour catch, named for the shape of the hands as they wrap around the ball. This catch is best for balls arriving at chest height or higher. Up first, players bounce the ball hard on the ground and catch it themselves. While this ball is lower than chest height, it's a controlled way to practice form, with the thumbs and index fingers connecting in a rough diamond shape. This is similar to the W shape that some prefer, a more open version of the diamond with the thumbs touching. But the closed diamond blocks balls from going through the hand. The arms, meanwhile, should be in front of the body, slightly flexed. Next, have players bounce balls to each other while walking around.
Bring it into you like a baby, remember. That's okay.
After that, players toss their own balls in the air to practice catching higher balls. The goal is to catch the ball as high as they can, kick out their knee for leverage and protection, like that, and then cradle the ball to their chest to secure it. Finally, have players toss high balls to each other and have them yell "keeper" to communicate to teammates that they're on it. Keeper! Coaches, it may help to have players practice holding the ball first to get the feel of catching it. They want their thumbs directly behind the center of the ball and their fingers slightly toward the sides. For higher balls, the thumbs will make contact a bit more toward the bottom of the ball than the middle. Remember, arms in front, diamond shape, make the catch. Look, Ma, both hands.